All right, thanks, Laura. As we speak, there could be someone driving around with fraudulent car insurance. And what's even worse is that most of those people probably don't even know it. Not only is it dangerous, but it's causing the cost of insurance to rise for everyone. Anthony Sabella has more on what's being done to stop it.
Secretary of State Ruth Johnson's message to Michiganders was clear Monday. Auto insurance fraud is not okay.
We are aggressively cracking down.
It started with the one-day snapshot on July 31st when the Secretary of State office had its branches across the state verify insurance for every registration renewal. The results were alarming.
Over 16% of the insurance certificates brought into our branch offices were bogus.
In response, Johnson has announced the Fighting Auto Insurance Ripoffs initiative, which includes the state police, prosecutors, and state and insurance leaders. Using staff training, registration suspensions, and other methods, the hope is to tackle an issue in more than half of Michigan's counties, including mid-Michigan.
On July 31st, just over 4% of insurance certificates collected in Ingham County were ruled invalid.
The number was higher in other local counties, reaching 23% in Clinton. EATON County Prosecutor Lloyd says it's just the tip of the iceberg.
This is a one-day sample, so if you're going to increase that out, obviously that's a lot of potential cases.
Some people are buying insurance, think they're insured until they get in a car accident, and then they find out in a very bad way that they weren't insured. And also, some people are cheating on purpose.
The cost of covering those cases has fallen on those with no-fault insurance to the tune of $220 million, according to Johnson. Kuhnmuench says identifying the problem is just the first step.
Now that we've got this data on an ongoing basis, we're going to be able to identify that and put a bigger number on it, I think, as time goes along.
More importantly, Kuhnmuench says it'll help the state to enforce the laws, ultimately saving money for everyone. In Lansing, Anthony Sabella, Fox 47 News.
Prosecutor Lloyd is currently working on an insurance fraud case where the suspect allegedly used Craigslist to sell fake insurance. If found guilty, that person faces up to 20 years in prison.